Hello everyone, this is Nagarajan. In today's session, I'm going to talk about the issue that I faced while applying the IPO. So just wanted to bring this to your attention. If you guys face this kind of an issue in future, you don't need to worry at all. Let's get started. Yesterday, I was just creating the IPO application via Upstock's mobile app. Everything was smooth at that time. I was able to create the application successfully. The payment status was shown as pending, which was also correct. After this, I'd also accepted the UPI mandate for that application. Post the UPI mandate process, the payment status was supposed to be accepted by investors, but it was still in pending status. So I'm just waiting for some time. After 2 hours, it got changed to request accepted by sponsor bank. I was a little bit worried about the status. Since I accepted the mandate, the status was not changed to accepted by investors. I was just thinking to cancel and recreate the application, but I had some patience. I was waiting for the whole day to see the updated status. Luckily, in the evening around 6 p.m., the status was updated to accepted by investor. So in this video, we'll come to know that UPI mandate process is the important thing. Once you are done with it, everything will be smooth. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.